Hello everyone, and thanks for watching my videos. If you enjoy my videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. In this video, I drive along Windsor, Ontario's busiest corridor, and I tell you more about the area along the way. We start the video on Huron Church Road, as parts of the road can see up to 34,000 vehicles daily. Huron Church Road connects the Ambassador Bridge with the 401 further south. On the US side, the Ambassador Bridge connects directly with I-75 and I-96, but as you can tell, the Canadian side doesn't have that luxury, as traffic is forced to use a surface road until it can reach the 401. Construction on the Gordie Howe Bridge further south is underway, and the 401 extension will connect right to that, which will ease traffic on Huron Church Road and other surface roads throughout the city of Windsor. Here is where traffic from Huron Church Road accesses Ontario's busiest highway, the 401. Detroit, Michigan is actually closer to Toronto than it is Chicago, as it's only 230 miles on the 401 to get to Toronto, compared to 280 miles on I-94 to reach Chicago. If you didn't know that, make sure you like this video and subscribe, because we all know that that was the most valuable knowledge that you've gained all day. The 401 extension was completed in 2015 and is intended to relieve traffic from international travel on the road that we were just on earlier, here on Church Road, and other surface roads throughout Windsor. The new 401 extension consists of 11 tunnels, however we only go through 9 from where we entered the freeway. This is where the 401 used to end before the extension was made. As we are on the outskirts of Windsor, the city is home to 217,000 residents. Unlike its neighboring city in the US, Detroit, Windsor has actually been growing. It's only been growing slightly in population though. The city is thought of to be one of the safest for its size in Canada as well. Windsor is the southernmost city in Canada, and it's actually south of Detroit. I'll get more videos on Windsor at a later time though, you know, when this whole COVID-19 thing goes away. When that happens, I can come back and show you more of the ins and outs of the actual city. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when that happens. This was actually my first time driving this route as we were on our way to Niagara Falls. The next 100 miles, or should I say kilometers since we are in Canada, is a really boring drive. It's just a straight road through flat farmland with not much traffic, and it takes some mad skill to be patient as you drive through this upcoming stretch. Well, that's about it for this video, and if you haven't already, make sure that you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!